Hi, I'm Dr. Roger Owens with HealthQuest Physicians Group, and this is a Minute to Better Health. Many of my patients come in and they have a condition called sciatica. What is sciatica? It is an inflammation of the largest nerve of the body, and it's part of what we call the lumbosacral plexus. It's this huge nerve that runs down the back side of your leg. Hence, a lot of times it's associated with low back pain, and then as the nerve gets inflamed or irritated, the further you have the irritation, the further you have the swelling, the further you're going to have the pain. The most common joints that are involved, and there's always pelvic instability anytime that you have sciatic pain, is the sacroiliac joint, these large joints here, the SI joints where the dimples are on the back side, the facet joints, or it can be an irritation of the disc. Proper treatment is dependent upon an accurate diagnosis, so make sure that all those areas are being checked when you have sciatic pain. Please like our video or share it with somebody you think could benefit, or if you have any questions at all, call our office at 635-9655. Thank you.